Welcome back to another episode. Today we are solving delete duplicates in a sorted linked list. So let's go ahead and get started. Given the head of a sorted linked list, delete all duplicates such that each element appears only once. Return the linked list sorted as well. All right, so example 1, we see 1, 1, 2 is the linked list, and then we're returning 1, 2. Example 2, we have 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, and we're going to return 1, 2, 3. Got it. So we're going to go with the straightforward approach on this one. First, we're going to have to initialize the head. And then from there, we're going to have to check the value of the next. So we're going to have to initialize the value of the head. We're going to call it current. And then we're going to check the next value after current. If it equals the same, we're going to go to the next. We're going to assign the value of next to the next one. And then we're going to keep going until we find a new number, and then we're going to reassign the value of head to that number, and then go from there. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. So current, so let's go ahead and just comment it out. Assign head value current equals head. And then while current and current next are not null, we will traverse over all nodes. Okay, so to do that, we're going to go while current and current dot next. Perfect. So now we need to see if current value is equal to current dot next, so the next node in the list. And you can see if current is equal to the current or to the next values in the list. So let's go here. So then if it is equal to it, we're going to go ahead and reassign current next to the next item in the list or next node in the list. So current dot next equals current dot next. Boom. Okay, whoops. Check to see if current value is equal to current. Okay. And then else, so if it's not, we only need to do one more thing. We just need to assign current to current.next, because now we know that we've reached the next character that is not a duplicate. And so we're going to start this all over again at that character. And then at the end, once we're done traversing the whole list, we're going to return head. So let's go ahead and comment all this stuff out. Sorry, I forgot to do that. So assign current value. Assign here. Okay, perfect. All right, let's go ahead and run this bad boy and see if it goes. Perfect. So we got, see the output here is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Let's go ahead and see if it works for all those test cases. Perfect, and it does. Not a great runtime. That's all right. So this is a straightforward approach. And we'll go ahead and submit this guy. Boom. Alrighty, guys. There you have it. If you guys liked my solution, go ahead and let me know. If you thought I could have done better, let me know. Let me know what you would have done. Otherwise, go ahead and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to stay updated with my journey. And always, I'll see you tomorrow. Have a good one. Bye bye.